The great cleaning conundrum: eco-friendly and effective. Can cleaning products really be eco-friendly and effective at the same time? This is a question that has puzzled many environmentally conscious consumers. We all want a clean home, but not at the expense of our planet. For years we've been told that strong chemicals equal strong cleaning power. But what if there's another way? What if we could have both a clean home and a healthy planet? The good news is that we can. Eco-friendly cleaning products have come a long way. They are now just as effective as their traditional counterparts. Gone are the days of sacrificing cleanliness for sustainability. Today, we have the power to make responsible choices without compromising on sparkling results. So, how do we know that these eco-friendly products actually work? And what makes them different from the conventional cleaners we're used to? Let's dive in and explore the science behind these planet-friendly cleaning solutions. Get ready to discover a whole new world of cleaning power that's good for you and the earth. Eco-friendly versus traditional: the cleaning showdown. For decades, traditional cleaning products have dominated store shelves. We've become accustomed to their strong scents and powerful formulas. These cleaners often rely on harsh chemicals to cut through grease and grime. While effective, these chemicals can have negative impacts on our health and the environment. Eco-friendly cleaning products, on the other hand, take a different approach. They harness the power of nature to deliver exceptional cleaning results. Instead of harsh chemicals, they utilize plant-based ingredients, essential oils, and biodegradable formulas. These natural alternatives are tough on dirt and grime but gentle on our planet. The debate between eco-friendly and traditional cleaning products often centers around effectiveness. Many people believe that natural cleaners simply cannot match the power of their chemical-laden counterparts. However, this is a common misconception. Advancements in green technology have led to the development of highly effective eco-friendly cleaning solutions. In the following sections, we'll debunk some of these myths and explore the science behind eco-friendly cleaning. We'll uncover the truth about natural ingredients and their ability to deliver exceptional cleaning results. Get ready to be amazed by the power of nature. Busting myths: eco-friendly cleaning doesn't mean weak cleaning. One of the biggest misconceptions surrounding eco-friendly cleaning products is that they are not as effective as traditional cleaners. This simply isn't true. While it's true that some early versions of eco-friendly cleaners may have lacked the punch of their conventional counterparts, times have changed. Today's eco-friendly cleaning products are formulated with powerful natural ingredients that are tough on dirt, grime, and germs. These ingredients have been carefully selected for their cleaning properties and are often combined with innovative technologies to enhance their effectiveness. Another common myth is that eco-friendly cleaners are not as good at killing germs. Again, this is not true. Many eco-friendly cleaning products contain natural antibacterial and antimicrobial agents, such as tea tree oil, eucalyptus oil, and citric acid. These natural ingredients have been proven to be effective at killing a wide range of bacteria and viruses. So the next time you hear someone say that eco-friendly cleaning products are not as effective as traditional cleaners, you can confidently tell them that they are wrong. With so many powerful and effective eco-friendly cleaning products available on the market today, there's no need to compromise your health or the environment for a clean home. The science of clean how natural ingredients pack a punch. You might be surprised to learn that many natural ingredients found in your pantry can effectively clean your home. Take baking soda, for example. This versatile ingredient is a natural deodorizer, cleaner, and abrasive. Its mild alkaline properties help to neutralize odors and break down grease and grime. Vinegar is another powerhouse ingredient in the eco-friendly cleaning arsenal. Its acidic nature makes it a powerful disinfectant and stain remover. Vinegar can also cut through soap scum and mineral deposits, making it ideal for cleaning bathrooms. Lemon juice is a natural degreaser and stain remover thanks to its citric acid content. It also has antibacterial properties and leaves behind a fresh, clean scent. Essential oils such as tea tree oil, eucalyptus oil, and lavender oil not only add a pleasant aroma to your home but also possess powerful cleaning and disinfecting properties. Tea tree oil, for example, is a natural antiseptic and antifungal agent, while eucalyptus oil is known for its antibacterial and antiviral properties. These natural ingredients, when combined with other plant-based cleaners and biodegradable formulas, create highly effective cleaning products that are safe for you, your family, and the environment. Section 5. Proof is in the cleaning studies and testimonials. Don't just take our word for it. Numerous studies and testimonials prove the effectiveness of eco-friendly cleaning products. Independent research has shown that these products can be just as effective as, if not more effective than, traditional cleaning products in removing dirt, grime, and germs. For instance, a study by the Environmental Working Group, or EWG, found that many eco-friendly all-purpose cleaners were just as effective as conventional cleaners at removing common household stains. The study also found that the eco-friendly cleaners were less likely to irritate the skin or eyes. Moreover, countless individuals have made the switch to eco-friendly cleaning products and have been amazed by the results. They rave about the product's effectiveness in cleaning their homes without the harsh chemicals, fumes, and residues left behind by traditional cleaners. Many parents of young children and pet owners particularly appreciate the gentle nature of eco-friendly cleaning products. They can have peace of mind knowing that their loved ones are not exposed to harmful chemicals that could trigger allergies or other health issues. Section 6, Eco-Friendly, cleans up the competition, effectiveness confirmed. As we've seen, the evidence is clear eco-friendly cleaning products can be just as effective as their traditional counterparts. The science behind natural ingredients and the numerous studies and testimonials all point to the same conclusion. You don't have to choose between a clean home and a healthy planet. By choosing eco-friendly cleaning products, you can effectively clean your home while minimizing your impact on the environment and protecting your family's health. It's a win-win situation, but the benefits of eco-friendly cleaning go beyond just cleaning power. In the next section, we'll explore the wider environmental benefits of making the switch to these sustainable cleaning solutions. Section 7. Beyond cleanliness, the ripple effect of eco-friendly choices. When you choose eco-friendly cleaning products, you're not just making a difference in your own home, you're contributing to a healthier planet as a whole. Traditional cleaning products often contain harsh chemicals that can pollute our waterways, release harmful fumes into the air, and contribute to a range of environmental problems. Eco-friendly cleaning products, on the other hand, are made with biodegradable ingredients that break down naturally in the environment. This means that they don't leave behind harmful residues that can harm wildlife or contaminate our water supply. Furthermore, many eco-friendly cleaning products come in concentrated formulas or are packaged in reusable or recyclable containers, further reducing waste and minimizing their environmental impact. By choosing eco-friendly cleaning products, you're casting a vote for a more sustainable future. You're supporting companies that prioritize environmental responsibility and are helping to create a demand for products that are better for both our health and the planet. Section 8. Join the eco-cleaning revolution. Try it and share your story. Ready to experience the power of eco-friendly cleaning for yourself? Making the switch is easier than you think. A wide variety of eco-friendly cleaning products are available at most grocery stores and online retailers. Start by replacing just one or two of your most used cleaning products with eco-friendly alternatives. You might be surprised at how easy it is to find effective and affordable options. Once you've experienced the benefits of eco-friendly cleaning firsthand, share your story with others. Tell your friends, family, and neighbors about your experience and encourage them to make the switch too. Together, we can create a ripple effect of positive change and make eco-friendly cleaning the norm, not the exception. By choosing cleaning products that are good for us and the planet, we can create a cleaner, healthier, and more sustainable future for generations to come.